talk to her? My wife's trying to fool me. Can I please talk to her? Can I please talk
Miss
to
Cooper,
her?
we're not going to take you. I think she's going to have to go. So you're asking to be transferred to Bell County?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So who do you know in Bell County?
I have my child there. I have a few, they're friends, but they're more like adopted, like you adopted them to your family, like your extended family.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been getting a lot of help since I've been out.
All right. And have you been maintaining your sobriety?
Yes, ma'am. I actually put in a whole bunch of applications. I got a few jobs that is actually lined up, but the only thing I need to get is my ID. And I'm having issues with that because of my birth certificate. But other than that,
all right. What issues are you having with your ID?
One, I don't have my birth certificate or my social due to, yes, ma'am. And I've been trying to see if my mom can send it, but the copy that she has is under a totally different name and stuff like that.
Oh, well, you can go online and order it. I mean, it costs.
Yeah.
But if you talk to probation about that, I'm sure they'll be able to help you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And when's the last time you had your UA?
I want to say since the last time.
And when was that? Has it been this month?
No, ma'am. I'm just not hearing from probation last week.
Okay. All right. So we'll do a UA today. And Bashan?
Yes, Shauna.
If her UA is okay, then we'll do I'll allow for her to transfer to Bell County. And make sure that probation has reviewed that location.
Yes, Shauna.
So you're going to do a UA today, okay? And what are the results going to be?
I'm going to be honest. It's going to be negative because of my tooth. I've been having a massive toothache.
Is that prescription?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have it with me, though.
All right. So you're going to have to provide prescription for that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're still going to do a UA today. All right. All right. All right, Ms. Cooper. Hey, Norma, can you see if Matt can get an attorney for Ms. Cooper? So Ms. Cooper, you're going to get taken into custody today.
Wait.
Ms. Cooper, there will be an attorney here for you today.
Wait. Talk to her. My wife's trying to fool me. Can I please talk to her? Can I please?
Ms. Cooper, we're not going to take you. I think she's going to have to go.
Can I please talk to you?
All right. The court is calling 2015 CR 11815W, State of Texas versus Amia Cooper. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Charles Bunt for Ms. Cooper.
And are you Ms. Cooper? All right. Ms. Cooper, before we do that, Mr. Bonk, you are appointed to represent Ms. Cooper today. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Have you had ample time to review the allegations in the motion?
I have, and we're waiving our preparation time.
All right. Ms. Cooper, do you understand that your attorney has 10 days to prepare for a hearing on this matter? You need to say yes or no. I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand your attorney is waiving that right and he's asking to proceed now? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any objection to proceeding with this now?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Mia Cooper who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2015 CR 11815W for the offense of promotion of prostitution of a person younger than 18 years and placed on probation on January 25th, 2016 for a period of 5 years and extended for 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 25th day of July 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Mia Cooper, did in there legally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Okay, here's the thing. I can't hear you. You're going to have to speak up. You can't be whispering because I know when you're in public, you don't whisper. So how do you plead to a violation of condition number 2 that's just been read by the state? True or not true?
It's true.
We'll
Sir?
waive the remaining violated conditions, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
It is to adjudicate guilt or revoke the individual offer of probation and is sentenced to 2 years in TDC.
Is that the agreement?
That is our agreement, Judge.
Ms. Cooper, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
I cannot
Yes.
hear you. All right. The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
For the record, Judge, I've been told by the court staff and the probation department, she has 576 days credit that we're asking to receive.
Okay.
Robert, and
Yes.
needs time for her state at status and state ISF.
All right. Were those successfully completed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I'll give her credit for any time and inpatient treatment. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about what a weapon or you need to speak to your attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. I understand the issues that you've had in your life, but at some point in time, you are going to have to start making better decisions, because otherwise you're going to find yourself in and out of prison and back to the same place that you were before. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have a significant other or somebody in your relationship who wants you to do things that are not for your best, then you need to drop them, because they mean you no good. And I don't know if what I'm telling you is sinking in or not, but if you have a boyfriend out there who's making you do things or wants you to do things for fast and easy money, then guess what? That is not the person for you. And you're going to have to stop using drugs, because otherwise what you had in your system today, that could be the last time you use. And then guess what? There would be somebody dead in Bexar County or somebody dead in the field, and they'd be trying to identify the body. Then somebody would identify the body, and it may be you. Don't be that person. You understand?
In the end, this hearing wasn't really about a failed drug test. It was about years of missed opportunities finally catching up with the defendant. Ms. Cooper admitted to violating the terms of her probation by using methamphetamine, knowing that doing so could send her to prison for up to 20 years. Under a negotiated plea agreement, the judge sentenced her to 2 years in prison while giving her credit for the time she had already served and completed in treatment. But the most powerful moment came after the sentence. Instead of ending the hearing with legal paperwork, the judge delivered a personal warning. She urged Cooper to stop surrounding herself with people who encouraged drugs, crime, and easy money, reminding her that those choices could eventually cost her not just her freedom, but her life. The judge's message was simple: breaking free from addiction requires changing both your habits and the people around you. Whether this sentence becomes another chapter in the same cycle or the beginning of a new life is now entirely up to Miss Cooper.